Attention, attention, attention. The La State Council, in collaboration with the Dadekotopon Municipal Assembly, Ayawaso West Municipal Assembly, Lankwantanang Madina Municipal Assembly, and the Adentang Municipal Assembly, wishes to bring to the notice of the general public that the celebration of the 2025 La Homowo Festival with the chiefs and people of the La traditional area under the theme Respect for All, the foundation for a stronger society, has commenced. Further, a ban on general noise making would come into force as follows: from Monday 11th August 2025 at 6 p.m. to Friday 5th September 2025 at 6 p.m. In accordance with the ban, there shall be no funerals, parties, naming ceremony after parties, as well as events that involve the use of musical instruments and PA systems. All are also advised to adhere to the traditional Lakban songs, devoid of gongs, whistles, etc. Nime expect all people, churches, mosques, hotels, eateries, and other businesses and social concerns within the jurisdiction of the La traditional area to take note and strictly adhere to the do's and don'ts during the period. Any offender would be strictly dealt with. Affected areas include La Township, Kajano, Akwaje, Nyaniba Estates, Laboni, Cantonments, Flagstaff House area, 37 Military Hospital area, Chado, Bema Camp, Legon, Shiashi, Baaleshi, Okponglo, Mpenwasem, Ogbojo, Ashalebochwe, Agbogba Madina Nkwantanang Atiman, Adentan, Oyaifa, Taiman, Ayi Mensa, Fafraha, Amanfro, Ashie, Amrahia, and Malijo. Nime wish the people of La and all residents of the La traditional area a peaceful and successful Homowo celebration. Thank you.